Projeto Construção Residência na Facilidade Social by estudante feto sira se termina e tinan.
Quarta-ne, Presidente da República no Primeiro-Ministro Hamutu com o Embaixador de Emirados Árabes Unidos hala o lançamento fatuk dahulu ba construção residência na Facilidade Social ba estudante feto sira e baru pite basic Palácio Presidencial. E âmbito lançamento ne Presidente da República José Ramos Horta hatete projeto construção ne moderno nebe mak implementa empresa ida husi Emirados Árabes Unidos no se termina e tinan oin. Chefe Estado afirma kata residência ne se tulung estudante universitário sira nebe mak bit na tonde no residência ne acomoda estudante feto naing atus tolo nebe se completa ho clínica no sala estudanian.
Over the years I saw how Timorese youth, particularly girls, where they live, how they live in extremely precarious conditions, dangerous conditions. They live in so-called cosh, which they pay $10, well, not $10, $20, $30 a month. The best ones, maybe $50. I've seen around town, in many, since I was foreign minister. I always wanted to do something like this. So I explained to Sheikh Mohammed in Abu Dhabi once. I told him, and he touched my hand and said, I like this. Explain, state of the art, that will accommodate 300 girls over the age 16, 17, with the age of university students. They are adults, these university students, age normally over 16. And there we will see who will do the selection of the students to stay here. The land will continue to belong to the presidency. The building will continue to be a government, a public building. But the project is to host and to support these students. Preferable students who opted for science and technology studies. No humanities, because we have so many people going to humanities. Everybody just wants humanities with easier degree.
Ia fatinganesa Embaixador Emirados Árabes Unidos atete lihusi projeto ne Emirados Árabes Unidos no Timor-Leste cria ambiente nebe seguro ba fuensa sira ia futuro.
Today's ceremony presents another historic milestone in the growing relations between the United Arab Emirates and Democratic Republic of Timor-Leste, reflecting our shared commitment to strengthening cooperation in the fields of development, education, and humanitarian partnerships. This complex is also included, with integrated service facilities, as we have already described, including a modern medical clinic, providing a safe, healthy, and supportive environment for students. The main objective of this project is to create an integrated cultural and social environment that contributes to preparing future generations of qualified academic talents and national leaders who can actively participate in building the future and advancing sustainable development in this lovely country, Timor-Leste. This noble objective reflects the shared humanitarian values of both the United Arab Emirates and the Democratic Republic of Timor-Leste in serving communities, empowering youth, and enhancing quality of life.
Orçamento do projeto ne mahiusi Presidente Emirados Árabes Unidos e nebe projeto ne se cobre rai hectare ronolo Lamberto da Silva, GMN.